Getting colder and colder every day, and it might just all be in my head.
No, it's not in your head. And you want to know something interesting? The gorge wind, it just has this big influence on us, on Vancouver.
Yeah.
You drop south, it's been in the mid to even upper 50s south of here.
Right, down in Medford, wasn't it very warm?
Oh, it's very warm. Salem and Eugene in the mid to upper 50s. So we just can't get it here, but we're going to see those gorge winds back off. In fact, within the next hour, winds are going to switch direction out of the south, and they're going to gust a lot higher than what we've been seeing them do today. And so we have wind advisories in effect, and so far we've seen winds gusting between 40 and 45 miles an hour up the valley, and that is quickly approaching us here in the Portland metro area. So getting ready for that. That could bring down some of those limbs. That could also bring down maybe a stray tree or two, and that could affect some power outages. So we may have a few isolated power outages as we go through the next couple of hours. So again, south winds 20 to 30 sustained, gusting to 40. We've already seen that happen from Eugene up to Salem, so it's working its way north at this point, and we'll see those winds slowly back off between Eugene and Salem as we go through the rest of this afternoon. Extreme wind for the coast too. We've had gusts up to 65, even 70 miles an hour when you get up a little bit in elevation out there along the coast. South winds could still gust to 60 miles an hour. We have this high wind warning in effect until 6 p.m., though I think farther south those winds are starting to back off. And look at that, we just got it canceled. So winds are definitely improving for the coast. It's just for the valley and the metro area at this point where we're going to keep a close eye on some of those winds. So it has been a windy day for the coast, and we're going to see that happen for the metro area soon. 43 degrees is where we are in Portland and Vancouver, and take a look at the temperatures. Like I was saying, 54 in Salem. Is a little bit cooler in Albany and Corvallis. Temperatures just now dropping, but earlier today well into the 50s there too. Meanwhile, you head out towards Hood River and the Dalles, and we're still close to the freezing mark. In fact, freezing rain advisory is still in effect for this area here. So the upper part of the Hood River Valley there, Parkdale, that goes until 7 p.m. Tonight. So we'll continue to have to watch out for some slick spots there. Cold fronts pushing in. So of course we have the showers moving in. It's going to be a wet evening for us, and it'll continue to stay wet through the overnight. We've already seen some showers push through Portland. Now they're going on up towards Vancouver, up towards Battleground, back towards Camas, and we're going to continue to see that lift to the north and east. And of course there's plenty more to come. And you can see those showers still developing along the coast and heading on in through Forest Grove back into the valley, and of course down south too. So we're going to continue to see these showers move on in, tracking it for you. Here we are, 4 o'clock to 4:30, some spotty shower activity, and then just more steady rain as we go through the rest of this evening. It hits the Cascades. Snow levels have dropped, and so we're going to see snow coming down there for our ski resorts. A lot of it loses itself as it goes east of the Cascades, so not enough moisture to bring in a ton of shower activity here, but we will have some spotty rain and snow showers tonight and tomorrow east of the Cascades. We wake up tomorrow morning, still a few spotty showers around, and tomorrow will be one of those days where we'll have a few hit or miss showers, but I think we'll find some dry time in between, and then we'll continue to try to pick up a little bit more snow for our Cascades. The winds, of course, back off through the overnight hours. I should say those strong winds that we're going to be experiencing here in the metro up into southwest Washington too, those will all come to an end by about 7:30 tonight, and then we'll start to see them really back off. Going into the rest of the weekend, we're going to continue with that active weather with showers sticking around. How much rain are we talking for the rest of the night? Half an inch to 3/4 of an inch for most of us up and down I-5. This is by tomorrow morning, and of course we could tack on a little bit more to that as we go into tomorrow evening with some spotty showers still sticking around. Here's Mount Hood Meadows, and again we should get a nice blanket of snow there overnight tonight and through the day tomorrow. Low to mid 50s for the coast. The winds are tapering off as we speak, but more showers rolling through. I-5 tomorrow topping out in the low 50s, and we'll see some showers at times, less wind. Central and eastern Oregon, highs in the 30s to around 40, so a few rain, snow showers around scattered. Not going to see a whole lot of accumulation though. Cascades, we get 4 to 6 inches. Snow level stays at 3,500 feet. Still pretty breezy there. Hood River back towards the Dalles in the 40s, so we're finally thawing things out, and we'll just see a few stray showers. Here's a 7-day forecast. Upper 40s for the next couple of days, and it stays fairly active for us as far as the rain goes. Wet at times tomorrow, wet at times Saturday, Sunday. Going into early next week, we'll have a chilly breeze to deal with temperatures staying mainly in the low 50s. So no sun, not much sunshine ahead for us. We're going to be dodging the rain for a while.
Gotcha. Thank
yeah.
you.
All right.